It's on camera. That's close, Cam. Back up a little more. Oh, she dropped her hat. Back up more, Cam. Give it to Peyton. Go inside and get her a toy. Then. Try again, Cam. Too close. I said behind the blue. See that? Right there. There. Remember how I showed you? Good, see? What you doing, Peyton? Behind the blue. No, not that blue, right there. Where Cam is. Mhm. Hey, Kira. Oh. Where Cam is, Cash? Yes, right there. Cam, out of the way. It's too low. Who lowered it? Put it higher. No, I told her to step with 1 foot forward. It's just, she's already putting 1 foot forward. No, I showed her to do a foot thing, but she's doing it wrong.
I did it.
Okay, stand right here, right where you are. Yeah, right there. That's good for Cammy. Good. Did she get it? I seen through the camera. It's kind of dark. Okay, stand right here, Cash. Right where Mommy is. Right here. There, now let's see. Woo!
It's too hard.
Woo!
It's too hard for me. Mommy does.
What's mine, Clint?
Look it. Maybe we can have some break.
You guys are having a break and having a drink, I thought. Give it to Cam while you have a drink. Cam, behind the blue. Yes. Put it higher. Here. I can. That better? Woo. You miss? Oh, you got it? Oh. That's not how I showed you, Cam. Do you remember? Don't put your hands that far back. Yeah, and now. Sort of. Push it with your fingers. Push it with your fingers. There, see? That's how you do it. turn. I'll try with one hand. Here.
Hmm?
I'll try with one hand. I can't do it with one.
I can do it with two. Me too. Yeah. See? Let me turn. Your turn, Sam. Oh, got it. Let's take it. See?
Push it off with your fingers, Cam.
Fingers, Cam. I did it with my fingers. I do it with my fingers, Cam.
Push your fingers really far.
I should
Push your
do it
fingers.
with my finger.
See, like this. See?
Mommy can do it. Mommy can do it like this.
See?
I hate it.
Mhm.
Okay. My turn. Oh.
It's not the bounciest. Good. But you're standing kind of close. Stand back more now. Yep, stand there now. Try that. You're supposed to use two hands. Say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye. Okay.
Get off there, camera.
Say bye.